Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Profitec espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. Test the steam. Very strong steam. Hot water. Works well. And then I'm just so I replaced this guy here, and then I had to add some new hose because a bunch of these connectors with the hose broke. So in the old connectors, really hard to get out. So I just put new hose on, and I had to replace this connector. I replaced it with a brass one. I just had one brass one, and then I used a plastic one down there. And it's working well. And we have no drips. Just wait about 10 seconds here, because the customer was saying it was dripping every 10 seconds. So working well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.